Okay, Lynn, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Lynn, look at here. I want you to look at the picture, read each question, and write one-word answers about the house. Example number 1, Lynn. Where is the photo? Look at the photo. It's in the, where's the photo? It's
It's in the farm.
in the hall. Okay, so there, here's the word hall. Now this, I want you to find where's the mat, where's the clock, lamp, and mirror. Okay? Okay, Lynn, please write your answer.
Yeah, I'm finished.
Finish. Okay. Min, please. Oh, sorry. Lynn, please read question 2 and read also your answer. Go. Number 2. Where's go?
Where's the mask?
It's
Is in the classroom.
okay. Next.
Where's the clock? Is in the restroom.
Next.
Where's the lamp? Is in the dining room.
5.
Where's the mirror? Is in the living room.
Okay, let's check. We have here number 1. The mat is in the bathroom. Clock is in the bedroom. Lamp is in the dining room. And mirror is in the living room. Very good. Perfectly answered, Lynn. Great work. Okay, next, let's go to the next one. We have here, now this time, Lynn, I want you to write this one. What are they? So you're going to write the correct spelling of these words on the given spaces, okay?
Teacher, I'm finished.
Okay, what are the words? Please read.
Is window.
Next.
Rock.
Door. Next.
Table.
Table. Next.
Television.
Television. Next is?
Test.
Okay, let's check. We have window, door, table, television, bookcase. Very good again. Okay, very good. All right, so here, I have here this one. Lynn, I want you to look at the photo again and answer the question. Lynn, how many windows are there in the picture?
There are 3 windows.
There are 3 windows. Now here, where are the windows?
The windows in
The windows
Yes.
are in the
ours is the bedroom, living
bedroom,
room,
dining
and
room, and
dining room.
oh, very good. So the windows are found in the bedroom, dining room, and living room. Now here, how many tables are there?
There are 2 tables.
Okay, there are 2 tables. Where are the tables?
The tables is
The tables are
the table as in the bedroom and dining room.
okay, it's in the table and dining room. Now here, Lynn, I want you to look at the picture. And what is this in the picture? What is this?
This is a table.
Oh, table or desk. Here, have you got a desk? Have you got a desk, Lynn?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. What do you put, Lynn, on your desk? What do you put
I-
on your desk? I put.
My desk on my desk is as well.
I put books. What else? What else do we put in our desk?
Look,
Huh? Books again? What else?
I was on my desk is a book.
Book. What else? What else? What else? Books. What else do we put in our desk? Books and
Case.
bookcase. What else? One more. Give me one. And
Yes.
okay, pens. All right. Okay, wait. So Lynn, it's already time, so we cannot have the next activity. We will just do that one next time, okay? So Lynn, listen. So from our activity today, you did great in writing the correct spelling of the words. Okay? You were able to answer the questions, but you have to be careful in listening. Okay? Because there were times in the listening that you weren't able to find the object. If there are words that you don't know, you ask teacher. Okay? You can ask teacher, what is that word? I don't understand. Okay? So you would be able to answer it properly. Do you understand? Okay, you got it, Lynn? Okay, you got it? Do you understand what I said? All right. Okay, so that's all for today, Lynn. Goodbye for now, Lynn. See you next time, Lynn. Goodbye. You can take
Goodbye,
a rest
teacher.
now. Yeah, goodbye.
Ay,